In America and in many countries around the world, justice is supposed to be blind. But in reality, justice often listens to who speaks for you. In 1989, two men were arrested in the same city, the same month, for nearly identical armed robbery charges. Both were young. Both had no prior violent record. Both claimed they were innocent. But only one of them could afford a lawyer. The first man was assigned a public defender, overworked, underpaid, and handling more than 100 cases at the same time. He met his lawyer for the first time in the courtroom hallway 5 minutes before trial. There was no private investigator. No expert witnesses. No time to challenge the police report. The jury heard one version of the story. He was sentenced to 18 years in prison. The second man hired a high-profile defense attorney. That lawyer immediately challenged the arrest procedure, questioned the eyewitness identification, exposed inconsistencies in the police timeline. His surveillance tape ignored in the first case was introduced. The jury heard a different story. That man walked free. Same crime, same evidence. Different lawyers. Decades later, legal scholars reviewed both cases side by side. Their conclusion was disturbing but clear. The outcome wasn't determined by guilt or innocence. It was determined by access. Access to time, access to resources, access to someone who knew how to fight the system. Public defenders save lives every day, but the system overwhelms them. One lawyer can't properly defend dozens of people at once. And when justice becomes a luxury, fairness disappears. Because in court, the truth doesn't always win. Preparation does. Money does. The right lawyer does. And that raises a terrifying question: is justice really blind, or is it just for sale? If you believe justice should never depend on wealth, subscribe for more real stories they don't teach in school. Like this video to keep these conversations alive. And comment your thoughts: should justice ever depend on money?